Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that today we start our new chapter, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So everyone open your fourth chapter, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, page number 54. Those who have book, they open their book. Otherwise other students listen carefully. Okay, so let's start our chapter. Chapter says this is the story of Iron Man of India. Who is the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In Hindi we can call Loha Purush. Loha Purush. Okay. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the Iron Man of India. Okay. So write down the Iron Man of India. Man of India. Is that clear? Now, so Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a political and social leader. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जो थे वो पॉलिटिकल और सोशल लीडर थे ऑफ इंडिया हु प्लेड अ मेजर रोल इन द कंट्रीज स्ट्रगल फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली गाइडेड इट्स इंटीग्रेशन into a united independent nation. He was instrumental in persuading more than 500 princely states to merge with India. Okay, more than 500 states he merged to India. After the British left the country, when our Britishers left the country. Clear? For this unwavering commitment to national integration and strong resolve to work for the unity of the country, he is called the Iron Man of India. That's why he is called the Iron Man of India. Now next we start our chapter. Popularly known as the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the founding father of the Republic of India. He is the founding father of the Republic of India. He played an exemplary role in getting India independent from the British rule. इन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स से इंडिपेंडेंस दिलाने के लिए बहुत मेजर रोल प्ले किया है. ओके, मीन्स आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए बहुत मेजर रोल प्ले किया है. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज कॉल्ड द आयरन मैन ऑफ इंडिया. क्लियर? नाउ however, his role in the struggle of India's independence did not end just with that. He was the man who guided the country to become a united independent nation. इन्होंने गाइड किया था मीन्स कंट्री को दैट हाउ इंडिया बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट नेशन. Born to a Gujarati family in Karamsad, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, और इनका जो बर्थ है वो गुजराती फैमिली में हुआ था, करामसद. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the fourth of the 6 children of his father, Javri Bhai. Okay, he is the fourth children. He had 3 elder brothers and a younger brother and sister. From a very young age, Vallabhbhai displayed remarkable mental toughness and physical strength. Once he had a boil in his armpit, and during those days, in his village, the people usually went to a man who used to heat an iron, okay, who used to heat an iron में and put it on the boil to treat it. When young Patel went to him, he was reluctant to treat him, but Patel did not wait for the man and himself placed the hot iron on his boil, iron rod and on his boil. Patel grew up to become a barrister. He became a barrister. Okay, barrister, as you all know, that lawyer. Working hard, he greatly expanded his practice and his wealth. उन्होंने खुद की प्रैक्टिस को एक्सपेंड किया और उन्होंने खूब वेल्थ कमाई. Meanwhile, he got inspired by the works and teaching of महात्मा गांधी, और ये महात्मा गांधी की टीचिंग से बहुत इंस्पायर हुए and become keenly interested in India's struggle for independence. As one of the leaders of the Indian National Congress, he rose to prominence in his home state, Gujarat, for his outstanding work of saving the peasants of Gujarat from the oppressive policies of the British Raj through Bardoli Satyagrah. It wasn't long before Patel became indispensable for the nationalist movement. It was for his ability to lead from the front that he was given the nickname Sardar. Means उनको उनकी एबिलिटी की वजह से सरदार नेम दिया गया था, निकनेम, meaning the chief Patel. is also credited with establishing the model All India Civil Services and for the same is regarded as the pattern saint of India civil servant. और वो इंडिया सिविल सर्विसेज में भी उन्होंने क्लियर किया था, दैट्स वाई हिज नेम इज मीन्स इंडिया सिविल सर्वेंट उनको बोला जाता था. सरदार पटेल सपोर्टेड द एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ वुमेन एंड ही ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड द वुमेन्स, ओके, फॉर एम्पावरमेंट एंड वर्कड फॉर अबॉलिशिंग एल्कोहलिज्म एंड वर्क फॉर एबोलिशिंग मीन्स एल्कोहलिज्म के अगेंस्ट वो वर्क करते थे. अनटचेबिलिटी एंड कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन फ्रॉम सोसाइटी एंड ही वर्क फॉर कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और अनटचेबिलिटी के लिए वो वर्क किया करते थे. सरदार पटेल एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द गांधी लेड क्विक इंडिया मूवमेंट. सरदार पटेल ने गांधी क्विक इंडिया मूवमेंट में भी वर्क किया था. द क्विक इंडिया मूवमेंट बिगेन इन अगस्त 1942 एंड क्विक इंडिया मूवमेंट कब ही स्टार्ट हुआ था? 1942 में. सरदार पटेल इन्फ्लुएंस द लार्ज क्राउड दैट हैज assembled to take part in the civil disobedience which included the shutdown of all civil services and refusal to pay taxes. Vallabhbhai was arrested in this agitation and released only after 3 years. Means इन सब कामों की वजह से उनको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया था एंड आफ्टर 3 years he released in June 1945. Strikes, protests and revolutionary activities ruled India during this time, with the result that the British decided to leave India and transfer the power to the Indians. In 1946, Patel was nominated as the candidate for the election of the Congress president. Okay, he nominated as the election. उनको election के लिए nominate किया गया for the Congress president बनाने के लिए. However, he turned down the position on the advice of Gandhi ji. Eventually, Pandit Nehru became the president of Indian National Congress. और उनको मीन्स उन्होंने गांधी जी के एडवाइस से उन्होंने उसको छोड़ा पोजीशन को एंड देन जवाहरलाल नेहरू became the president of Indian National Congress. Clear? India became free on 15th August 1947. Everyone knows that India got freedom in 15th August 1947. Sardar Patel became India's first Home Minister. Now, Sardar Patel became Home Minister, first Home Minister and Minister of Information and Broadcasting. Clear? At the time of independence, India was divided into 3 parts. Independence के time पे India को 3 parts में divide कर दिया गया था. And the first part was directly under the control of the British government. The second were the territories ruled by hereditary rulers, and the third were the territories colonized by France and Portugal. Patel had realized that the dream of a unified and free India could only be achieved if the 3 territories were integrated as one. Blessed with practical acumen, great wisdom and political foresight, it took up the uphill task of unifying India. Now, what will happen? Now, what happened? Patel had really realized that the dream of a unified and free India could only be achieved in the 3 territories में ही achieved किया जा सकता है. Were integrated as one, blessed with practical acumen, great wisdom and political foresight, he took up the uphill task. Uphill means tough work करने की उन्होंने ठान ली थी. Patel began lobbying with the princes and monarchs. Lobbying means attempting to influences and monarchs of the separate states to accede to India. Patel's unifying efforts and relentless appeals bore fruit as he successfully persuaded 565 states to merge into India. Okay, he successfully merged 565 states to merge into India. Only 3 states were unwilling to accede. These were Jammu and Kashmir, Junagadh and Hyderabad. However, these states eventually became a part of India. और ये जो सारे states हैं वो इंडिया के part बन गए थे. Patel's health started declining in summer of 1950. और 1950 को पटेल की जो हेल्थ थी उसने काम करना बंद कर दिया था. It gradually worsened and he had to be flown to Mumbai. And he go to Mumbai where he recruited at Birla House. Sardar Patel breathed his last on 15 December 1950. 15 December 1950 को उन्होंने लास्ट ब्रीथ ली थी आफ्टर अ मैसिव हार्ट अटैक. Okay, because of heart attack, he died in 15 December 1950. Sardar Patel was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian award. सरदार पटेल को इंडिया के सबसे हाईएस्ट अवार्ड से अवार्ड्स मिले थे, ओके, अकरिंग आफ्टर वंस डेथ, एंड भारत रत्न इन 1991, और भारत रत्न भी मिला था 1991 में. हिज बर्थडे विच फॉल्स ऑन 31 अक्टूबर is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day. As everyone know that 31st October is celebrated as which day? Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Birth of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So everyone know the Iron Man of India story. Everyone understand Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel story. What is the chapter of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Clear? Now, next, everyone open your notebook and start writing word files. Okay? First of all, write down hard words. And no need to write hard words. You all write word files. Okay? Directly. Word file. First is exemplary. Perfect. Exemplary is what? Perfect and ideal. Second is reluctant, is unwilling and hesitant. Barrister is lawyer. Prominence, the state of being important, famous or noticeable. Fifth is outstanding. Outstanding is excellent. Outstanding is what? Excellent. Next is oppressive, cruel and unfair. Next is indispensable, essential. Indispensable is essential. Clear? Next is exemplary, perfect, ideal, reluctant, unwilling and hesitant. Third, barrister, lawyer, prominence, the state of being important, famous or noticeable. Now next, indispensable after. Eighth is nickname. Nickname is a usually descriptive name given instead of or in addition to the one belonging to a person, place or thing. Clear? Next, ninth is credited. Credited is what? Publicity, acknowledged for doing something. for doing something. Next is abolishing. Abolishing is what? Eradicating. Abolishing is eradicating. 11th is untouchability. Untouchability means the practice of excluding a group by keeping them separate from others by social custom. For others by social custom. Next is untouchability after discrimination. Discrimination is the act of treating someone differently or unjustly. 13 is nominated, proposed formally. Clear? Next, fourteenth is hereditary. Hereditary is belonging to forefathers. Ancestral. 15th is colonized, established political control by virtue of sending settlers to a place. Ecumen is ability to make good judgment. Foresight ability to predict what will happen in future. Clear? 18th is uphill task. Tough work. Lobbying, attempting to influence. Accede, agree to a demand or request. Agree to a demand or request. Relentless is continuous. Is continuous. Recuperated, recovered, recovered. Posthumously, posthumously is occurring, occurring, occurring after. Posthumously is occurring after one's death. Occurring after one's death. So these are your word files. 23 word files are there. In next class we discuss our question answers. Clear? So here your chapter reading portion completed as well as word file completed. Clear? So everyone note down these in fair notebook. Okay? So thank you and have a nice day. Today's class is over here.